Yo, what's up? Then uh loy one Isaac Beats, aka the Pro, uh nakumeka ka what do we call orientating. Nakumeka ka nakumeka ka Facebook and then nakumeka ka Twitter, so loko na the question and so all ngan kuma da ngan follow ka Twitter ngan ni da or nga like a page ka pare ka Facebook. So like from Facebook kuna like this other brother uzan chayela ku ri u lava ku twisisa ku ri risimu lera va ri ra Jezabela ri chawe xinjhani like just to show up. So leriwani risimu ra Jezabela and then la lexi ni lava ku xi endla I just want to go through mixing or maybe I can do better or worse than leswi va nga ri mixisa xiswona. And then ka risimu leriwani va ri it's like it's not a Jezabela, risimu ra Jezabela i marhanga tshovela. So like daka original track ni endlang original track specific and then kuna ti-edition leti ni nga ti endla. So without wasting any time n'wina mi twisisa ku ra mina ri vha njhani. So like here we're just gonna go through mastering. So let me just give you a listen. Leri ni nga ri chari famba njhani, but mina I just did some edition. String I show no more. I'll maybe start it just through mastering. Yeah, so like I'll give you a listen like loko se ni hetini with everything. So like okay, some of people maybe va lava ku tsakela ku tiva ku ri okay piano yi famba njhani and then stuff like that. Okay, first of all it's a hi-hat lexi xi vitanaka Twitter hi xichangana, so like 3C FPC and then yi famba hi ndlela leyiwani. And then like other people va ta ku chayela ku ri Cubase is better than what we call Fruity Loops. Bruh, ku byela ntiyiso ku hava lexi nga better than xin'wani, swi ya wena ku ri wena u understand-a yini. So if you can do better with Cubase, you can do better with Cubase. If you can do better with FL, you can do better with FL. Mina I know I know how to play using Cubase, but I need Randy and it's like man, I don't like it. And then get soup near Randy. Randa died man, because I know my story. I mean, okay, I will get so piano from Bantalale. I mean piano lish. And then Ishman kuna sort of Marin still drums and then yeah. Then kuna sort of but string Mara is no I show exactly so like string maybe ntaxitixa ka local mixer. Then ku va na okay, yeah, okay. So uh this is sort of my edition. Like in your dala like sort of my edition. Ashkona ka original track I think then marimba from the marimba matlhema ya mahlweni so mina I just made two and let my two kuna man'we ma famba ku ndlela leyi. Xin'wana ku va na xirhimbana marimba va le henhla or apha then na laha it's just the edition so cause like listening to that track for me not like kuna la ri siyaka like the space wa vona ri quiet somewhere so like marimba lamawani na ma endlele ku ma pfala those quiet space wa vona. Then my aim here is to deal with mastering dog. Then after that ntarpark and then you're gonna tell me mta khometa mi ni chayela ku ri ni fambulini or ni endle swona. So let's begin with the process. So like xin'wana ni nga xi twa ka that track ne va booste kick or kick it was boosted then according mina loko ni endla music I don't touch a kick and touch it. I don't boost it, man. I'm cool with it if I'm so I have a boosty kick so kick I can say kick in something like kuna bari in bass there's a bass boost so like it was boosted like net so so kick until 2 minutes sweet. Then another thing clap so ngenele swa ti clap then let me I deal in a hi-hat and then hi-hat mane ku mane banenge man yeah ku ri twakala nyana ku ri hey yeah yeah and then xin'wana lexi ni rhandza ku xi endla ni rhandza ku ri hi-hat ni faka like sort of stereo nyana so like mastering fethu swi ya wena ku wo lava ku twa yini tindleve ta wena ti lava ku twa yini so for mina like this is what I do dog. So there's no good way of mastering fethu. There's no good way. Then itaka tom like most ka tom mina ni rhandza ku remove ti lows then na yona ni nyika nyana sort of stereo another thing, uh, piano. Chisapele sote wangu wawa. Yeah, it sound better. Then another thing, uh, still what? Still what? Agora still, gente. Still, né? Yeah, still whatever, still in, still drums. Then, uh, that's all. Strings. Then let's try to sort of a reverb. I don't need. Shiniga na delay niya, no? Yeah, much better. Then, this one, alright. Okay, and then, man, go, try. No, 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 no. Okay, and one try. Okay. Then now that if I get reverb. Zama. Uh, I think it's much better than I think. Okay. You go high. Oh. So like another thing, you know, I don't like lows. I don't like. I don't know why. And then on that track, bro, like ish, or amarim, malika another level. Yeah. Then then okay. Dun, 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 dun. Shivala bulango fusate wangwababa. Jele sifo bakabangwabala. Jele sifo. Gongon tosngwan la. Esha. Ryan Takis lady. Ryan Takis. Yeah, it's much better. Yeah, much better. Esa. So ish. Stan kosa kunovuya la futhi. Yeah, no. Yeah, so nice second. Okay, I prefer kunifaka na vareni. Izama delay mantika na filter. Okay, ntavuya la ngisungula la. Yeah. Then emantsama nzama. Yeah. Leswi ni swi twaka ne loko ri raha tindleve like u nge swi twi. So music is all about tindleve. U fanele u va na tindleve ku ri u kota ku ri ku twa everything man. So xin'wana xa kona mfethu nga pfumi va ku hembela mfethu. Va ku yini is better than what is better than what. It's up to you man. It's all about what you do, you know. It's all about knowing what you are doing. Yeah. So let me just balance the mother. What do we call leveling? I hate this front line. So allora sungula na sort of string so. manchega. Then, okay. Unregisterang. Ah, that's all. Lupa tahu. I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure. I'm not sure because unregisterang, so I'm not sure. Kush dokterin kumsha slav unregister. If slash okay, selector. Selector. Maranga stami tarsi. Stami tarsi. Be alone. Be- Ah, like Marimba Manzakisi. And then let's check now. Much better. Ah, much better. So, ash, loko dila mixing feature. Also fun as so still also manzamo kutana rona no ku komelele. I think ngakuxipidi xa mina xi slow. Leswi. So like nte ku na swin'wana nga swi endla just the edition, so just cause like for me risimu ri sort of fight nyana wona ku ri pfala ti-gaps nyana, so like this is so leswi nga swi endla. So yeah, na sorry, hi noti kumbe whatever. Na die noti is sort of leswi nga swi endla. So let's take somewhere hi so ra cinca, then kambe loko ri cinca ri vuya sort of string, then ku va na this thing. More the rollings, I won't go through rollings. Like there's this other tutorial like ndzeni list ku the rollings ku fambisa kwini whatever, so let's take like about the rollings ti nga cinca. So like I think Swami Swelela Kwala, so I'm just gonna play the whole track until the end, and then the one I the what do we call the one I the what ring gombe minare the one I the what ring man the one I the comment ne the one I the comment, and then another thing don't forget to subscribe. Actually, please subscribe. Our local secretary, I mean, subscribe, man. Just subscribe. So let's just play the whole track, man, and see. Sorry, Shvanja. See you when you see me, man. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter. And, yeah, take it from there. It's the whole track.